In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide posts in your LinkedIn feed. If you want a cleaner, more relevant feed that highlights the content you actually care about, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, head to your home feed. As you scroll, you might notice posts that feel irrelevant, repetitive, or just not useful for your professional goals. That's your cue to take control. When you find a post you'd rather not see, look to the upper right corner of that post. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More icon. Click or tap it to open a small menu of options. From that menu, choose Not Interested. This is the key action that signals to LinkedIn that this type of content isn't a good fit for you. After you select Not Interested, LinkedIn will usually ask why you don't want to see the post. You'll see choices like, it's irrelevant, I've seen it too often, or it's too promotional. Pick the reason that best matches your situation, then select Submit to confirm. This final confirmation is important because it both hides the post right away and helps LinkedIn better understand your preferences so your feed becomes more tailored over time. Once you've submitted your reason, the post disappears from your feed and won't appear again. You've just refined your feed with a couple of clicks. Doing this regularly teaches the algorithm what to prioritize, which means you'll spend less time scrolling past noise and more time engaging with content that actually supports your work and interests. A few quick tips to keep in mind. This works on both desktop and mobile, though the wording or placement of options may vary slightly. Hiding a post is a subtle setting. It won't notify the person who shared it, and it doesn't block, report, or unfollow anyone. It simply tells LinkedIn you're not interested in that particular post or style of content. If you ever need stronger controls like muting or unfollowing a person or page, those options are available in the same menu, but for most cases, Not Interested is the fastest way to clean things up. Repeat this whenever something off-target shows up, and you'll notice your feed steadily improving. Keeping your feed organized makes browsing more enjoyable and helps you focus on content that truly matters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to optimize your LinkedIn experience.